Hi, I'm Tian Chai. My ESP32 read distance, temperature, and humidity and send them to Anthro.io. I can also control this LED from the dashboard. I create the thing, 4 channels, distance, temperature, humidity, and LED, and a key with the right permission. Every 5 seconds, my ESP32 publishes the sensor data to the Anthro.io and it listens for LED command in the background. Uploading. Connected. One switch, the LED turns on. Same thing with temperature and humidity. That's my Anthro.io monitoring and LED control project. Thanks for watching.